You ready to install a high clearance rear cross brace on a new Z?
Let's do it.
Or 370, it's the same. Super easy install. This video is gonna be less than 3 minutes. All right, so this is gonna differ from you guys. Step one is remove your exhaust. We have a Touring on here. I'm just gonna take out these 14s and just drop this pipe section here. I may have already loosened the bolts. Ooh, drippy. It's drippy, man. Oh, sorry, Nathan, you had that behind your ear. Exhaust hanger pliers, always an amazing tool. All right, Joey writes our install guides. Joey's gonna get a picture for the install guide. All right, next 12 mil, got it on impact, 6 bolts, 2 left, 2 right from my point of view, 2 passenger, 2 driver, 2 center. Not a way to use your head, Austin. Sweet. And that's how you remove the factory one. Let's get the new one. All right, so we got our new bar. It's a lot lighter, so no worries there. This kind of thing, you can use a pole jack, or you can ask for help from a friend. Thanks, Sherry. And then we're using a 6 mil Allen. I'm just gonna get these guys just started. Yeah. And then we got our 12 mils that will go right there. Nope, 10 mil. Okay. Cool. One really cool piece about this bar, the high clearance. If you guys have ever tried putting a Tomei on a 370Z, usually the single does hit on the driver's side. There's an additional little bend here to help single exhaust clearance. So no touching, no droning, no rattling, all the good stuff. 24 foot-pounds on all 6 bolts, the 10s on the back, plus the 6 mil Allens up front. .24. There we go. Two more over here. Sweet. Swap this guy out for a 10 mil. Awesome. And that's how easy it is to install a high clearance rear crossbar on a new Z, which is the same as a 370. Go ahead and put your exhaust back on from here and you're done, which we're not going to show you because everybody's exhaust setup is different, so there's no point. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what how-to video you would like us to do next.